Hello everyone, welcome back to the Practically Blind workshop. So I have actually started filming this video already, but I didn't realise that the microphone was switched off. But just to get you up to date, I'm making something for my father-in-law, who is a milkman, and I've just got some bits of old feather edge board and some old bits of 1x6 pine that I've just cut down to size. And what I'll do is I'll put the footage up here or up here of me doing that, and now I can move on to the next step. So I've got these corner pieces already made up from the second planter box I was going to make last week, but I didn't have enough material, so I'm going to use these as the corner pieces of what I'm making today. And I'm going to get these pieces glued and screwed onto them. Right, so I've got to make another one of these, and then I'll bring you back. Right, so now that I've got them two pieces made, what I'm going to do is get the long pieces and get them fitted to the side. So I'm just putting this second one on, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to orientate the narrow part of the feather edge into the middle on both pieces, and both pieces aren't quite enough to cover the whole span, so I'm just going to leave a nice air gap between the two pieces. So I've just ripped a load of these slats down at the table saw, and I've pre-drilled a hole in each end, and now I'm going to get them spaced across the bottom. And that's the last one going in. The spacing's worked out quite good, but some of these pieces are bowed and wonky, but it doesn't really matter. So that's the bottom slats all fixed on. Next, what I want to do is trim these corner pieces down. So off camera, I've just marked some positions for some handles, and I'm going to drill a hole at each end, and I've put a sacrificial backer board on there to prevent breakout. And then what I'll do is I'll join the two holes up with a jigsaw. So what I'll do is I'll do the same for all four sides, and then I'll come back with a rasp and sandpaper to straighten all these out. So yeah, that's all four handles cut out. I'm just going to straighten them out with the rasp. Oh yeah, in case you were still wondering what this was, this is a milk crate without any dividers in it, because they don't just sell milk, and they need somewhere to put larger items, and they need it to be the same dimensions as a normal milk crate. So when it's on the back of the van, everything still fits nicely. It's actually slightly taller, but that's by design, just to get more stuff in it. there it is, all done. A nice rustic milk crate for my father-in-law. If you've made it to the end of this video, it really means a lot to me. It really helps the channel. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and comment and share and like. Again, it really helps the channel grow. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.